Hello, my friends, and welcome everyone to BM Speak English. I am Bisvajit, and I am very happy that you are with me. So, friends, today's episode is about the fact that many people are afraid to speak in English. They think that they feel nervous when they have to talk to someone. They also think that they will make mistakes if they try to speak. And many have already decided that speaking English is not for them. Many of us are afraid to speak in English. So, friends, I want to tell everyone that today, I want to tell you something that, after hearing it, will significantly reduce this fear of speaking English. And you will see for yourself that your English is improving, that you are progressing towards improvement. So, friends, in today's episode, I will give you a roadmap and a routine that, if followed, will greatly improve your English. Without further ado, let's get to the main point. Okay. My first point is let's start from the morning. You can say to yourself what everyone says after waking up, good morning. You will say to yourself, good morning, Bisvajit, wake up, Bisvajit, whatever is said in the morning. Then whatever you see in front of you, chair, table, laptop, pen, etc., whatever you see, you will say to yourself, I see a pen. There is a chair in front of me. Give me the pen. I will use the computer. I will wake up. Mom, give me a cup of tea. Whatever you say at home, you will translate it into English in your mind. Even when you go somewhere or visit a place, you're often with friends. So when some conversation is going on, try to think about it in English. For example, a bike went past you. A bird is flying overhead, etc. Whatever you see, translate it into English. I'm telling you, from today onwards, think about everything you see in English. I'm telling you the truth. If you do this regularly for 30 days, no one can stop your improvement in speaking English. Okay, friends, one more thing. No matter how much we translate every object, substance, or living being that we see in our real life, sooner or later, we will have to speak in English with someone. And the most difficult part for us is this step and this step. Once you overcome these, you won't have to look back. Look, friends, if you learn to speak English, you'll have to talk to someone, right? And whatever you learn, whatever you've learned, you'll have to speak English with someone in real life. So, when you start speaking English, you might feel nervous at first. To overcome that, I'm suggesting another easy method. Look, friends, you can translate in your mind while speaking English, but talking to someone will be a little difficult. So, there's only one way to overcome that difficulty and fear. Everyone has a mirror at home, right? So, friends, this is your task now. You will go in front of the mirror, and there, regardless of whether you speak correctly or incorrectly, you will ask questions to the mirror. Ask all the questions that are very important, and then answer them yourself. You can ask whatever you want. If you practice this continuously for 30 days, no matter what happens, I guarantee you 100% that you will see some improvement in your English speaking.